I was Henny.
This Marmar first car wash he going through. Let's see how he take it.
And yeah, good gang got in.
Let's see how he take the car wash for the first time.
Uh-oh.
Nope.
You alright, man? You alright? You alright, dog?
Soldier.
Marmar, you alright?
You alright? Just a car wash. It's getting dark in here, y'all.
Hey.
Oh, oh, man. Soldier up, man. Hey, you got scared of the stones on the floor right there. Look, Marmar, look. Oh, man. He said he's going through torture, man. You're going to get used to it. Okay. All right, man. Okay. Hey. Marmar. It's all done now. Hey, man. Soldier, what? Hold on. COVID. Hey, man. Sliding in my lap on it. Steady bouncing back on it.
You want to get out, Marmar?
You got to watch out for them cars. Hey, grab them towels, cuzzo. Yeah. You alright now, man? You alright? You alright, man? That was just your first car wash, man. Look at your neck, man. Your neck all wet. Come here. Hey, take him out the seatbelt wash, man. I'm giving him some water. You done worked yourself up. Come on, man. I'm gonna give you some water, man. That's your first car wash, boy. You ain't take it too good, boy. Come here once, Marmar.